Air Hogs RC, hover assault in battle with the ultimate fusion of ground and air RC technology. Their Hog hover assault can drive, fly, fire projectiles, and eject with the all-new chassis release system. The ejectable wheelbase is deployable at the push of a button, which upon disconnecting, hover eject takes on aggressive flight characteristics, enabling evasive aerial maneuvering, and with adjustable missile base, hover eject delivers precision firing in both ground attack and heli modes. Whereas on land or in the sky, the new Air Hog hover assault eject is a devastating force. Click the link in the description to view more or buy from Amazon.